Let's take a look at this histogram question from Connect. It's going to allow us to interpret various aspects of the histogram. So here's the example. It says the following frequency histogram presents the heights in inches of a random sample of 100 male college students. Part 1, how many classes do we have in this histogram? The easy way to answer that question is just to answer the question, how many bars do you see in the histogram? Each one of these bars represents another class. This first bar is the class from 63 to 66. The second bar is the class from 66 to 69, etc. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 bars. We have 11 classes here. What is the class width? Well, the class width is the difference in consecutive lower class limits. And we should try to remember that the numbers that you see on this horizontal axis are all of the lower class limits for each class. And so the difference in consecutive lower class limits would be 66 minus 63, or 69 minus 66, or 72 minus 69, and so on. So our class width in this problem is 3. Moving on, which class has the highest frequency? Well, the class with the highest frequency is the class that has the bar going higher than any other bar. And as you scan over this, you see that that's happening between 90 and 93. Now technically, it's 90 to 92.999, that type of thing, but we can describe this class as going from 90 to 93. So that's the class with the highest frequency. And then the last question says, what percentage of students are more than 84 inches tall? And so if we're going to answer the question, what percentage of students are more than 84 inches tall, we need to know how many students are more than 84 inches tall. And then we also need to know how many students we have in this histogram to begin with. And we actually already know that answer. We have 100 male college students presented in this histogram. And so if we want to figure out the percentage that are more than 84 inches tall, we take the number of these 4 bars here that are more than 84 inches, and we divide that number by 100. And so let's do that. We have between 84 and 87, it looks like we have 13 students in there. Between 87 and 90, we have an additional 2. So between 90 and 93, it looks like we have 14. And then between 93 and 96, we have 12. So we had 13 plus another 2, so that's 15, plus 14, that's 29, plus a final 12 puts us up to 41. So we end up with 41 students out of 100 that are more than 84 inches tall. 41 divided by 100 will give you in your calculator 0.41. So as a percentage, 0.41 we know is 41%. So the answer to this last one is just 41%. And so I can check the answer here in Connect, and I should get 4 green check marks, and I do. So hopefully this helps you with those questions where you are interpreting what's given to you in a histogram.